Were you familiar with the meme? As you see, there are two necessary components to understanding it. To fully comprehend the text, it is not enough for students to decode the words on the page. Reading comprehension can be seen as a two-stage process. First, students focus on word recognition, fluency, and vocabulary. And second, students must engage in the use of higher-order thinking skills. This means that they relate prior knowledge to the text. These two stages make reading comprehension possible because the student is able to connect the text to his or her personal background and knowledge. These connections are also referred to as schematic connections. You learned a little bit about schema theory in Chapter 1. It was used to describe how knowledge is categorized in a person's memory. Remember, it is crucial to help CLD students build schematic connections between what they already know and the new, so they can comprehend and retain new information. So how do we do this? Well, one strategy is to teach text-to-self connections. This means that readers make connections between the text and their past experiences or background knowledge. Table 6.1 provides a useful example of putting this strategy into practice. After these text-to-self connections are made, instruction can transition to text-to-text connections. These are connections that readers make between the text that they are reading and another text, including books, poems, scripts, songs, or anything that is written. The more academic experiences the student has, the higher his or her level of text-to-text connections will be. One way to do this is for teachers to ignite connections by talking about other books they have read and then nurture those connections to the new text. Finally, the highest level of schematic connections is text-to-world connections. There are the connections that readers make between text and the bigger issues, events, or concerns of society and the world at large. This requires teachers to explore text-related issues in society or the world. Next, we'll be looking at ways educators can teach CLD students how to develop and apply metacognitive, cognitive, and social affective learning strategies in practice. This is the end of this video.